Nagbabalik ang Full-Time Moms at usapang memory pa rin po tayo. Recently, nanalo ang Pilipinas sa UK International Open Memory Championships. Galing, no? At kasama natin ngayon ang mga nananalong kababayan natin. Please welcome Johan Abrina, Roberto Racasa, and Coach Marlon Bernardino. Welcome, you guys. You know, first of all, I didn't know na meron palang ganyan competition.
19 years na nagaganap to sa London. First time na sumali ang Philippines sa gantong event.
Okay.
At ni barangay tournament wala sa Pilipinas.
Kaya nga,
and
diba?
sa awa ng Diyos, natalo lang tayong 2 segundo sa gold.
So, you were aware already there was this tournament at meron ka ng parang school, Robert?
Yeah, meron akong learning center na nagtuturo ng memory sa mga estudyante. At nung nakita ko na meron sa internet ng competition, 19 years na, sabi ko, ba't wala pa sa Pilipinas? So, pinurso ko yun. So, binili ko yung mga libro about memory and then inaral ko ng husto. Tapos napadaan dun si Johan, nag-enroll and then
Siya ba
kami
yung
dalawa
first student mo? Or...
Siya yung first student na nagkaroon ng interest na sumali sa world competition.
Okay. Are some people ba are better at memories than others? Is there such a thing? Na it's so natural for you to memorize and me, it's like, cannot memorize.
There are people na natural sa kanila yung may malakas na memory. Pero meron din yung iba na very motivated lang sila na kaya nilang i-train yung sarili nila to have a memory like ours.
How did you guys prepare for this competition?
So ito yung mga pinaglalabanan doon. Number 1, bibigyan ka ng mga abstract images.
And
You have
then?
to memorize this perfectly. Kasi i-recall mo to eh. Kung ano yung order niya, kung paano siya
Wow, but
lumabas.
they all look alike!
Yeah, yun. Then second one is meron binary digits, 01. Ito, i-memorize mo perfectly then in order kung paano siya nag-appear.
Okay, guys. Now, how do you memorize something like that?
Ito kasi nakikita namin dito, puro images. For example, yung una is 1110, letter R sa isip ko yun. And then, 1110 is R uli. So, nai-imagine ko dun yung sarili ko na si Robert Racasa.
Yeah.
Tapos yung iba, puro images din yun. So, nakikreate kami ng letter and then an image after that. Tapos, nilalagay namin yung mga images na yun sa location para matandaan namin lahat.
Wow.
Kasi sobrang dami.
I still cannot comprehend.
Kung tatanungin mo si Robert kung ilang years siya nakatapos na
Ilang years?
It took 7 years? 6 years.
In high school.
High school.
So it's really your passion. Kumbaga, ito talaga yung hilig mo. You're so fascinated with trying to memorize and remember so many things?
Yeah, passion to make a difference also. Kasi nakita ko dun sa mula pagkabata ko, yung mga kina-involveban ko, may mga memory related na eh. Nung bata ako, nagkristo ako sa sabong. So, kailangan ng matalas na memory doon para maalala mo lahat ng apustahan mo. Nung high school and college ako, nagpaaral sa akin is chess. Varsity player ako ng chess. And then, panlaban din ako ng quiz bee sa school. So, puro memory related.
talaga. So aside from the abstract, the numbers, ano pa yung mga ibang...
So, ito yung random numbers. Ito naman yung counting numbers. 1,000 numero, you have to memorize them perfectly in 1 hour.
And then yung competition, is it one whole day to do all of these things?
2-day competition. August 26, 27, 2-day competition. Pero sa China, sa China, 1 week.
1 week.
1 week. Yun yung Olympic memory, yun yung World Memory Championship.
You have other tricks that you want to show us on how we can improve our memory.
Si Roberto, kabisado niya ang dates, simula 1500 hanggang future.
That's right. Ito. So what I'm gonna do, I am going to mention yung month and the day and the year, and you'll give me kung what date. What date? Okay. So in 1957, February 14.
That's a Thursday.
Correct. How about, let's go way back, 1939, June 16.
It's a Friday.
It's a Friday, galing!
So, isa yun. Sa mga
So
skills
that's
na
one of the
inaalala.
skills. Wow. So
Tapos
there is a pattern to this at you have to memorize also.
Okay. So yung date, ang combination yan mula 1582 hanggang 9,999, more than 3 million. So ang may pattern siya, minemorize lang namin yung mga code kasi lahat coded. Yung month, yung day, yung year, tsaka yung century. So kailangan lang i-memorize yun, mga 200 lang yun. Tapos simple computation na lang.
Yes.
Tapos ngayon si Johan, i-demo naman niya itong
Johan.
cards.
Okay. So how do we train with this one or what did you do?
With this one, ito yung event na napanalunan natin with yung silver.
Hawakan
So I'll
ko
let
to.
you shuffle this one.
Okay.
So this one hindi pa siya naka-shuffle.
Okay.
So after looking at that for around 2 to 3 minutes,
Yeah.
I will copy kung ano yung order niyan into this one.
Actually, Christine, bawal sila sa pagcore kasi lamang sila sa card count.
Oh, di ba?
Kasi watch 21
Yes, is that true? Is that true? So bawal kayo
Actually,
pumasok, di
Yung
ba?
mga nila nasa pagcore website na.
Talaga, because you can memorize the deck and you will know. So
Which
it's really
one
true,
you're
that book, no?
Yeah.
So while he's looking at that, in case there are other people that want to join, how can they go about this?
Yung mga interested na mag-aral dun sa aming learning center, memory, tuturuan namin kayo kung paano memorizein lahat ng materials na inaaral ninyo, yung mga libro, mga chapters, pati pages. You can contact me at 489-4917. 489-4917.
Okay.
Thank you.
Is there any way that we can improve our memory? Anything that we can eat? Anything that we can do?
Number one, hindi itong mga player na itong mga mental athlete natin, hindi to umiinom at hindi nag-iossi.
Okay, good. So basta clean living and then just exercise your brain regularly by...
Yeah, tsaka deliberate yung training. Kami ni Johan, pagka...
How many hours?
Yeah, that's a good question. Kung mag-train kami nito, nag-start kami ng 1 o'clock hanggang alas 12 ng gabi. Ganun straight yun.
Di ba napapagod din yung utak ninyo na kailangan magpahinga? O yung pag natulog na lang, yun na yun?
Yeah. Yun yung pinakapahinga namin. Tapos pag morning, nag-exercise kami. Swimming, gym.
Okay. So
bike.
exercise helps also
Yeah.
for the circulation. So when, like what he's doing, maybe you can explain, how do they segregate it?
Bali mamaya siguro, Christine, na pagkatapos ma-memory ni Johan, tapos isosyo niya yung card, paliliwanag niya kung anong binisualize niya,
Okay.
anong ina-associate niya sa...
Almost na. 3 na lang, 4, 2.
Doon sa competition, ang ginagawa dyan, mag-a-assign sa'yo ng arbiter, tapos tig-isang card kayo, yung isa minimemorize mo, binabantayan ka niya. Tapos after nun, yan, pag na-arrange, kayong dalawa yung sabay na magbubukas.
Okay, alright. Sabay tayo. Ooh! 9, 8, 2, 5. What? How did you do that?
Paliliwanag niya mamaya.
Grabe!
Kaya nga hindi pwede sa casino eh.
In memorizing cards, briefly, what's the technique?
Well, it's the same as with RJ said kanina.
Yes.
We
You associate.
We associate mental pictures in those numbers or cards.
Okay,
And
but it's a
with
lot of
certain
numbers
locations,
and a
yeah.
lot of cards.
So, for example, this one I saw a lion. He's rating a kid.
You make a story
Yeah,
with
to make story.
something, so... All right. Well, thank you guys. Thank you for being with us today. It's truly an honor to meet somebody, such great minds. Such great minds to be with us. Thank you. It's an honor. Thank you so much. And we hope to see you guys again
Salamat.
here on the show. Is there anything you'd like to...
Salamat sa PCSO, yung tumulong namin kay Congressman Bernadette Terrerit at Mayor Abalos at Bicycle Card.
Yes, and good luck to you. Please let us know kung anong mangyari sa December sa China. Maraming salamat at mamaya mga nakakatuwang eksena ng faulty memories at mga sakit na may kaugnayan sa memory sa pagbabalik ng Full-Time Moms on Tour. And I would like to thank Bobby Brown, Ayora Salon, Lynel Hair Fashion, Filiarina by Shubis, Victoria Haviliana for my skincare,